Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing of the Formbot T-Rex 2. We're going to speed through the fun yellow tape portion of the unboxing so we can get to the good stuff faster. And once we have the box open, first thing we'll take out is the safety glasses for the laser engraver. And you can see in the box we have the base of the printer, which is upside down when in the box. So we want to carefully take that out and flip it over. Here's our USB cable. Miscellaneous foam packing, which Formbot is notorious for. Love all those little squares, by the way. This first accessory box contains the main printer controller with its nice clean ribbon cable coming out the back. Next we'll pull out the DB25 connectors, which will connect the controller box to the rest of the printer components. Next we'll remove the 3 smaller ribbon cables, and these plug into the extruders, connect the extruders to the main ribbon cable. And here's our main power cord. And it looks like we have a bag of tools here, which is very nice. Allen wrenches, things we'll need to assemble the printer. This little bag contains all the hardware for mounting the build plate and heater. And here is our complimentary spool of PLA filament. Next we have the, this is the heated bed control box. But we need to remove this first, which is the borosilicate glass build plate, and also contains the self-adhesive Formbot build surface. And here is the dual zone heating pad. This will stick directly underneath the glass, and it has its own control box, and it plugs in separately from the printer. Next, these are the filament spool holders that mount on top of the printer and will hold 2 spools of filament. Next, we'll remove the LCD touchscreen controller. SD card with full instructions. These little guys are the filament sensors, which will sense when the filament runs out and will automatically pause the print. And here's a little bracket that holds the ribbon cable in place behind the X carriage. And this little box mounts on the tower and connects all the tower components to the main control box. And here is the Wi-Fi unit. And let's see what's in this box. Oh, it looks like the extruders are in this one. Yep. Here's the extruders. Looks like this first one is... This is the main extruder. It's got the BL touch sensor on it. So this would be the left extruder. And this next bracket is the base that sits behind the extruders. The main ribbon cable mounts to this, and this is where you plug in the extruders to the main ribbon cable. Here is the second extruder, the right extruder. Looks like we're just about done. There are only two things left, and one of those is the laser engraving module. That's going to be fun to play with. Very cool. And the last thing in the box is the tower. The vertical part of the printer. We also have LED strip lighting at the top, linear rails, and very nice ball screws for the Z-axis. Much more accurate than lead screws. So I'd say the Z-axis on the T-Rex 2 looks to be very solid, very accurate. Well, that'll do it for the unboxing of the Formbot T-Rex 2. It's a solid printer and I'm looking forward to firing it up. Next video is assembly. Should be fun. Thanks for watching.